What's up, everybody? It's Nate here again, and today what I'll be doing is showing you my Nerf gun I got, and I got a 30 bullet elite 30 elite bullets. Yeah, so here's the Nerf gun I got. As you can see, it comes with extensions and one right here, but it only came with two of them. This one, which has an extension on the bottom, if you can see it. And there it is on, and there that is on. So when you cock it back, you have to cock it back to put the magazine in. This is the one it came with. It came with 6 of these darts. So you have to cock it back to put it in. If it's, see, I'll show you. So, wait, I'll do it. If you do it forward, it won't go in. It'll only go in that far. So when we cock it back, you can put it in. Just simple. So yeah, I'm gonna fill the darts in it, then test it out. Oh, and here's the darts that I got. So yeah. Gonna fill this. I'll let you see me fill it. Last one. There. Then put it in, cock it, then you're set. So set that up there. Put you guys right there. And we're ready to shoot it. So there it is. 6 darts. Gone. Drained. Hey, are you done? There's 4, and I'll come back when I find the other 2. So here's one. Wait. Oh, here they are. The 6 darts. 6 darts. Drained. Was one of my favorite Nerf guns. So yeah. So if you guys liked it, extensions, all of that. Yeah. There's the gun.